Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Project X, and welcome to our FB page, theguru.ph. Guys, please follow theguru.ph as it will help me grow the channel and it will help me to be constantly motivated to pursue being a content creator during this time. So alam naman natin, we all know that being monetized today is really a great challenge, especially here in the Philippines. The amount of competition is very high. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell to be updated in our latest content. So for today, I'm going to demonstrate or teach you how you can control a step motor. So using an Arduino with okay, so you need all of these things and then you need a program. Okay, so the wiring is like this. Okay, so this is ULN 2003. Okay, so this is my controller. Alright, so you have four inputs, input 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I used the pin 8 to 11 so for the controls. So for the wiring of this, okay, you need three wires or pins. Okay, the ground, the 5 volts, and then the VRX. Okay, so there are other wirings, the BRY and the switch, but you don't need that. So all you need are 3 wires. Okay, so connect to the ground, connect to the positive 5 volts, and the BRX is connected on AO, okay, analog input. Okay, so it's in the analog input. So then this is just a module, so you can just plug this in easily. So you will see that there are lights. Okay, so the LED brights up, so that means it's okay. Okay, and then you need a program. So the IDE is downloadable. So in the Arduino page, okay, you go visit that, and this is our program. So what it does is it will turn the servo, or rather the step motor, 90 degrees, positive 90, and then goes back to 0, and then if you want to do the other way around, so from 0 to 90. So let's demonstrate. So here, when you go left or right, when you go right, it will go up. When you go left, it will go down. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's the other way around pala. Then it will go back. Then when you push, so if you do not let go, so it will stay that way. But if you let go gently, it will go back. Okay, and then there you go. So it's difficult for me because I don't have a tripod, but you see it's working. Okay, so if you want to point the servo to the exact angle, okay, you just have to change the codes. Okay, so but I'm going to put the link of the code in the description box, so please visit the description box, leave your comments there, and if you have any other suggestion about this program, about this project, you can comment down as well. And yun, kita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod kong video.